Viridis3D was founded as a lab for materials, and we started developing our own machine. It's built around an industrial robot, which is manufactured by ABB, and we have a modular printhead technology that supports it, which will allow us to configure the machine for a variety of different build sizes and resolutions and accuracies. So what we're focusing on primarily is sand casting and investment casting materials, and the hardware, of course, that builds the parts.
The key ROI benefits that the foundries see is they're able to actually print the mold and pour the metal within a day or two, compared to the traditional pattern where it takes 6 to 8 weeks to make the pattern, and then they have to pack sand and pour it. So it's an 8 to 10 week process before they get a casted part. Whereas using this technology, you can get a part out in 2 to 3 days. Now they can scan these patterns, store them electronically or digitally, and print them. And they don't need to store all these wooden patterns. And they can use gear that they're already used to using, like sand feeder from Palmer and lots of other equipment that they're very familiar in using. So there's less of a barrier to enter and for them to start using the machine. This technology is at the intersection of robotics and 3D printing, and we've been able to use the best of both worlds. And this opens up this technology and this product line to a wide variety of industries and applications.
People right now who are machining parts laboriously or making patterns for castings, 10 years from now it will just be a dim memory after they start 3D printing these things with fully automated digital manufacturing processes.